was a bird that fell out of the nest, and that's the mother. That's the bird covering the bird right there. Now that's the mother right there, and the little baby bird is on the other side of the mother, and she's basically protecting her baby bird. I believe the bird fell out of this tree, got blown out last night by the wind, and the bird ended up right in front of our garage, and somehow or another moved on down to this end of the garage, and is now, there it is, laying on top of the mother right there. See? So she's protecting them. It's just starting to rain out here. All right.